Guys, good morning. We're gonna be doing something a little bit more different today. We're gonna be doing baby crib video, and normally we just be doing a car review, but gotta switch it up sometimes, right? Now this is the baby crib. We kind of got everything in a mess right now. Room's looking a little bit funky. This guy's trying to help out, aren't you, Onyx? So, this is what we got so far. Let's see how I do it. I'm not really a carpenter or anything. I'm not a Bob the Builder, but try to get something done. Guys, so sorry for the mess. Still trying to get the room all set up and ready for baby. But the crib is built, is finished. This is what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's pretty much the end of the video. The crib is built. You guys want to see more videos, hit the like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's S10 Toni. Y'all know what it is, man. Peace.